a good average. Full toss, and that's the first 4 of the competition. Again, that one will just take 1 bounce. Almost a carbon copy of the first delivery. Full toss, and again, just behind square. Oh, a bit of spin. Just goes past the fielder. It's a run in vain. Oh, that has gone up. There is a chance here. Keeper is under it. Keeper takes it. First wicket, international cricket. And look at the celebrations.
Seeing it can be quite tricky. And it got the celebration that it richly deserved. Mongolia's first wicket in international T20s.
I think it was fortuitous it went to the keeper. Big gloves there.
Mohammad Asif Sheikh goes for 16, faced 17 deliveries, but that's a lovely catch by the wicketkeeper.
Vishal Malla often opens. He did last time against Kenya in the last innings, got 59. Not going to wait. That one is just inside the boundary. Oh, this one may well go all the way. Yep, just over. And just there again, the umpire this time raises his hands aloft. Gone again, there is somebody there. Oh, over the hands for 4. It's gone high. How far has it gone? It's certainly between the... Oh, it's taken! Oh, what a catch! Well, they were running around like headless chickens, weren't they? He wasn't, though. Look at that, eyes on the ball. He was walking back to his mark.
Altan Kuyag takes a lovely catch to get rid of Bertel. He goes for 19.
Captain's in, no doubt. 21-year-old. Oh, he's gone large here. This is a big one. Watch out in the crowd. Oh, that's gone. That's in the arc. And that's the first one into big netting.
For Nepal.
That's nicely played, just tickled round. And that'll go all the way for 4. That one is heading towards the crowd. Into the tunnel it goes. And that might go again, yeah, past the despairing attempt to stop it from
Boundary for Nepal.
Here we go again. This will go all the way. That's 6. This is an expensive over.
And again, doesn't get all of it. It's not a big boundary out there, a little over 50 meters away to the left-hander's leg side, as that takes him to a half century.
And he will go offside this time, same result.
Boundary 4 for Nepal.
And he's gone again, he's gone large, he's gone all the way into where the third umpire and the TV official are sitting.
6.
Not if you hit it like that. 1 bounce, 4.
Yeah, just a little bit of width, just a hint of width.
And that one's going to go all the way into the side screen. And with the same result, just over the boundary.
6.
And so it was a 6, and this should be another one, a 4. That's a wonderful shot. And he's gone big again.
Sure.
There is a fielder there who will watch it. Definitely a 6. Gone again. Fielder is interested. Oh, and we'll run past it. It's 4.
There it is.
There you go. Over the boundary. And That is a marvellous,
Boundary
marvellous
6
achievement
for
from Marla.
Nepal.
尼泊尔边界6分。
They know it.
Yep, they certainly do. There was an indication from the non-striker. Yeah, just trying to find out from the dugout, is that it? Has he got it? Has he got it? There was some thumbs up. And so not only is it a very well played 100, but it is now officially the fastest T20 International 100.
Record breaker, Kushal Mala, take a bow. And he's gone again, and this one's going to go out the ground into the concession stalls. It might be a no ball, but it's certainly a 6. Gone again, it's another maximum, almost identical. So again, there's only, well, there are 2 players there, but it dissects them. And that's a full toss, someone there, but it's too big. He's gone again. It's a top edge, but goodness me, that has motor, and I think that might have gone all the way. But, well, oh, goes through the hands. Goes through the hands of Namsray, I think it was.
Boundary 4.
And that has gone again. There's someone there, backpedaling. No, it's 6. Oh, there you go. I think that's gone over the boundary. Yes, it has. And that's in the slot, but it's top edged. Chance here. Taken! And Powdell doesn't get a chance to break his partner's record.
It was a free hit.
Oh, was a free hit. And it's going to be expensive. This one's going to go all the way and disappears. And he is striking it not well this time. Keeper is under it, and he makes up for his error in the other over. Second catch for the keeper.
Nice catch. He calls for it. Man coming in from square leg, but
现在上场的击球员是45
keeper
号
says, my ball, I've got the gloves on, and easy as you like.
193 the partnership.
As Podell goes for 61. 259 for 3.
He is a decent bat. 1,103 runs, average of 35. Oh, hello.
Goodness, that's gone.
I just announced myself. Oh, hello. It's gone again. It's even bigger into the trees. The trees save it from going into the building behind. Oh,
That's
3
biggest. That's
out
the
of
biggest.
3. And that has gone over the trees. Not all of them, but the first batch of trees.
Boundary 6 for Nepal.
Oh, hello. Hello. Little bit behind square this time. That will go on to the tarmac. Make that 5 out of 5. Wow. Oh, not if you ball that.
Well, there's 6 sixes.
And that has gone, there's a chance. He's taken his cap off in the deep.
It's gone too far.
Oh, spills it. Got in a good position, Nam's right. I'll take a couple. There's another one. That'll be 306. Oh, didn't hit that properly, and that's gone for 6.
Well, that just might very well be the fastest 50 in T20 internationals,
Boundary
because it's taken
6
just
for
9 balls.
Nepal.
尼泊尔边界
Now we'll
6分。
lean over and ask our statistician. Oh, he's clothed it.
He has clothed it. It'll be 1. I think they might look for 2, and they will get home safely. Well, what a total that is. Over 15 and over. 314 for 3. 137 for Malak, and 52 off 10 balls.
20回合结束。
Well, the disappointing thing here for Indian cricket is that Rohit Sharma no longer has the fastest 100 in T20 international cricket, and Yuvraj Singh no longer has the fastest 50 in T20 cricket, which was scored against England.
Myrtle, he went for 19. Adol for 61. But goodness me, 137 off 50. And 10, well, 9 ball, 50 for Airy. 314 for 3. You never know. 315 needed. They're going to have to go some. Sompalkami will open up. Fast medium all-rounder.
Number 7,
7号
Nayem Batach Nalan Batach.
Shot number 10.
That is a different pace altogether, isn't it?
Yeah, he'd probably be around the 130 odd.
It's a good length. They're interested, not a huge appeal. 2 for no wicket.
No, he's given him out. I mean, he's played back, and that's hit him straight in front. It's not a difficult decision.
Not happy with himself is Turbish. Second ball duck.
Okay.
Oh, that's a great ball. Goodness me. Too much pace. Didn't really pitch.
Good
现在上
Yorker.
场的击球员是6
Ball
号
just
Lufsan Zandri
holds its
Ikdambure.
line, not a great deal of swing on it, and the middle stump is pushed back. So he's on the board. A wicket for KCK.
Just the one run for him. He did face 10 balls, and that will be an education. Oh, there you go. This time the stump does cartwheel behind. And it is an early departure for the captain.
Where they need to get to if they're going to compete on the international stage. They certainly play in a wonderful spirit, with smiles on their faces. They enjoy their cricket, but playing against a team that's ranked number 17 in the world.
Oh, he's done really well there. What a response. 4 runs. That could be out. Dive not needed. And a 4th wicket goes down. It was a simple catch for Kami.
Batter number 8
Just rushes him,
out.
gets
Caught.
onto him far
8
too
号击
quickly.
球员被接杀出局。
Montgomery goes for 3.
Nibble of the bat it did, and it'll go for 4. Now is interested, and so is the umpire. LBW. Well, the majority of the wickets
new
have either
batter,
been
number
bowled or
11.
LBW.
现在
Get
上
it
场的
straight,
击球员
you've
是
got a
11
chance.
号。
Well, that's right in
Yalat
front. This is
Namslai.
as out as it comes. That is clattering into middle stump. The buyer has to go for just the single.
5 for 9, his best figures in T20. Oh, too good. First wicket, first ball. Wow. What an introduction.
Just drifts in, doesn't it? It's a beautiful delivery. Drifts in and then turns away and hits the top of off stump. It is the perfect leg spinner's dismissal. Jamyan Surian goes for 10.
Oh, doesn't matter. Bowled. Almost mathematically impossible.
Yeah, lovely little off spinner. Just between bat and pad. Turn that through the gate.
Well, no runs. 9 balls faced.
Oh, here's trouble.
Run
Here's
out,
big trouble.
Run out. Oh, what a shame.
Straight to extra cover, excuse me, and the non-striker just sets off. I mean, there's no run here. And then the striker says, oh, well, I better go. And it's, well, that's just as simple a run out as you're going to get.
Get it!
And that'll do it. Simple little catch. It's 41 all out. And And a very, very comprehensive victory, a record-breaking victory for Nepal.
Bat.